In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom Video Filters Virtual Frames Effects. First, open Zoom. You can launch the desktop app or head to the Zoom website in your browser and sign in. Using the desktop app makes it easier to access visual effects during a call, and keeping Zoom updated ensures you see the latest background and effects options. Next, join or start a Zoom meeting. If you're just experimenting, start a new meeting by yourself so you can preview everything without an audience. It's a good idea to keep your microphone muted while you set things up, and you can turn your camera on and off as needed while you test. Once you're in the meeting, move your mouse to reveal the bottom toolbar. This is where your meeting controls live. If the toolbar disappears, just wiggle your cursor again to bring it back. You'll see familiar options like mute, start video, and share screen. Now find the More button on the toolbar. It's typically represented by 3 dots. Click it to open an expanded menu with additional controls that aren't shown by default when the window is small. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a separate window where you can manage everything related to audio, video, backgrounds, and effects. You'll be adjusting things here, and your preview will update live so you can see how you look before others do. Inside Settings, click Background. Depending on your version, this section may be labeled Background and Effects. This is the hub for virtual backgrounds, subtle video filters, and fun frames. You'll see a preview of your camera feed on the right, which makes it easy to compare options in real time and check that your face stays clear and well lit. Finally, select a background. Pick one of Zoom's built-in images, or choose a gentle backdrop that complements your lighting. Keep it simple for professional meetings, or go more playful if the call allows it. In the same panel, explore filters and frames to add light color grading, soft focus, or a tasteful border around your video. Aim for effects that enhance your presence without distracting from what you're saying. If your computer is older or your lighting is dim, choose less complex backgrounds for smoother video. Good. Even lighting and a tidy, non-reflective area behind you will give the best result with any effect you select. When you're happy with how you look in the preview, return to the meeting and you're set. That's it. You've opened Zoom, joined a meeting, found the toolbar, used More to access settings, navigated to background, and picked the background filters and frames that fit your style.